What is up? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing the part 2 of my advent calendar, opening up the rest of it today. Today I'll be opening numbers 14 to 25. Mom accidentally forgot number 24. So just in case you guys were wondering where number 24 was, I apologize about that. Shit just happens. So I have all of the bags all right here. If you guys want to see what I got in my part 2 of my advent calendar, then just 14 is right here. Open it. First thing is this. Ooh, it's actually a kitten calendar. 2022 is my one, and it has pictures of all the kitties and everything. The other one is now finished, so that's awesome that I have a kitten calendar. Little bag. There is a grinder for my weed. Oh, marijuana. So, and I got some eggs, some Lindor eggs. Number 15, I got a, oh, this pen is so cute. It is like a furry, colorful pen, colorful paper. Like the rainbow. Snowman chocolate with her 16. I got another shower cap, but this one has pineapples on it. Frick yeah. I'm so excited about this. I'm actually gonna put it on and strut my shit. There's freaking pineapples on it. Yes. Kitty coloring book. That's cool. It's like all these like relaxing like pages to color. 17. Let's see what we got here. Ooh, a compact mirror with a kiss on it. I got some more socks. I got pizza on them. Yeah. I love my pizza. Can't go wrong with some pizza. Maybe people are gonna want to eat my feet. 18. I got a scratch ticket, but I lost because I'm a loser. That is really cute little A hand sanitizer, A for Amber, and my losing scratch ticket. It's gonna be a millionaire. Nope. This is number 19. There is aw. There's another little hand sanitizer. This one's like a unicorn looking one. Number 20. Pack of all-dressed crispers, snowman chocolate, and a chocolate kiss. Number 22, got a e.l.f. daily brush cleaner chocolate. Oh, it's a little Santa chocolate. How cute. This is number 22. Ooh, a chocolate kiss that fell on the ground. Forgot about these. Sunglasses. Yeah, I like these because they're big and they have my face, which is perfect. I like these. I got 23, a jumbo word find pad for some word searches, so that's cool. I love word searches. It's come in handy. Then I got some fuzzy peaches. 24, my mom actually forgot, so we're gonna jump on to number 25. Got me these chocolate sticks, some workout gloves, because I lift a lot of weights, so these come in handy. I got some more socks, some donut ones, and then some fluffy ones. Got this. This is a fingerling. I think it's like a unicorn one. Turns on and it's supposed to like sit on your finger. Like this. And you're supposed to like talk to it and stuff. And you're supposed to communicate with it. Hello! Buddy. She's sneezing. She got the COVID. Got her. Still haven't named her yet. But we'll see what happens. That is the part 2 of the advent calendar. I hope that you guys did enjoy it, and I hope you guys all did have a great Christmas, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye, guys.